My name is Test Lab Eng. My reference number is AN2101337. Today I will introduce you the part of mini centrifugal pump test set. This is the power, and this is the pump motor drive, and this is the motor. This is the pump. This is the ventilator under shield cover. This is the water reservoir and drain tap. This is the pump inlet valve. This is the delivery valve. This analog pressure display. Here is the digital pressure display. Here is the computer interface. This part is all called the instrument rail. That's all.
Okay, my name is Kutli Shanti Anak Peter. My metric number is CN21029. Okay, today I want to show you how to operate run this experiment. Firstly, turn on the switch over there, and then turn on the power. You can see the light green if it turn on, and then turn on the start, and then set the speed, which is 800 to 1000. I choose 800 here. Okay, 800. And then next we rotate this valve for rotate 1, 2, 3, 4. We just rotate half opening first, and then see the set speed, and we set to 3000. Okay, we got the 3000, not exactly, but we can use this one, 3000. And then we rotate the valve full. Just rotate it until the end. Until we rotate, it cannot move. After that, we see this tube. There have two tube, which is P1 and P2. If they have a bubble inside of P1 and P2, we can use the bleed tube to remove the bubble, if any. Okay, just turn in, and then if you want to out the bleed, turn out. If no bubble there is, we can turn out, and then go to the next, which is P1. Just wait in 1 second. If bubble is gone, okay, the bubble is gone, we can turn out the blade. Okay, there has no bubble. And then we can see the result, P1 and P2, which is 0.58 bar, and P2 is negative 0.59. And then we can take the result, P1 and P2. After that, you can see the P1 is negative 0.59. We do the calculation, which is decrease 0.05. We got the negative 0.64, so we rotate the valve into until we got a negative 0.64. Okay, almost the result. Okay, we got the negative. Okay, then you see P1 0.55 bar, P2 is negative 0.64 bar. Negative 0.64, negative 0.05, which is decrease, and then we got the 0.69. And then turn on the valve until we got the negative 0.69 at the P2. Here is negative 0.67. Okay, we got the negative 0.69. And then you can see the P1 is different, 0.53. Then take the record, take the result. Okay, for the next data will be follow the decrease 0.05. Okay, this is how we turn off the power. We rotate this half, and then see the set speed. We rotate is to 800 first. Okay, and then just rotate the valve until the P1 and P2 0. So do as well at the set speed until 0. Okay, as you see here, this is 0, and turn off the and then turn off the power, and finally just switch off the switch. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I will show you how to calculate flow rate through a venturi meter in a pump system. So in this experiment, we have to get 6 sample of data for P1 and 6 data for P2, 6 sample for P2. So to get the flow rate, we have to use the formula given. With the information given, we have to put the information in the formula. So I show you how to use the formula. So for the sample 1, we have P1, which is 0.53. So with the information given, we have to put all the information in the calculator. So CD is a coefficient, so 0.97 bracket pi 0.027 square over 4 bracket square 2 bracket 0.53 bracket over 1000 1 minus bracket 0.016 bracket 0.0272 bracket 4
So when you put all the information in the calculator, so we just have to calculate it. And now we get the flow rate for sample 1, which is 0.53. Flow rate for sample 1 is 1.9272. So this is how to use the formula to get the formula in the calculator. So you have to repeat the same equation with for sample 1, sample 2, different sample. So after we get the experiment, after we get all the flow rate sample 1 by 2 sample seeds, now you have to draw a graph which is pressure against a flow rate. So this is pressure 2, this is pressure 2, and this is flow rate. So you have to plot the graph just like this. Okay, you have to plot a graph just like this.
Observation. From the observation that we got from experiment is when starting experiment, open pump inlet is increased between 800 rpm or 1000 rpm. But in the procedures the difference. It just open pump inlet slowly. After that, for the closed inlet pump is different. Sometimes the rotate of it didn't work until rotate it more speed. The open pump inlet will move increase to 3000 rpm sometimes. After we make an observation when we start second time the experiment, the record of P1 and P2 is not the same reading with the first try of the experiment. When we found out the problem is at closed inlet pump, the solve is we do the more rotate between 4 to 6 rotates. Then after got the reading P1 and P2. Check the air bubble water got many bubble. When use the blood lead to bleed pressure gauge. When do it normal, then have a bubble come out. But when the bleed line is changed with time, open it become more bubbles and sometimes it become normal. After taking the reading and deviation of 0.05 by decreasing opening pump inlet, all the 6 sets of data obtained and successfully experiments.